This is the final results of my hair. I did my hair a little different when I did these flat twists, and I will never do them again. Like, I will never part my hair like that again. It's like really taking a whole lot of work for me to get rid of this parting, and it's messing up some of my curls. But frizz, I don't care about frizz. It's natural hair. It's supposed to look wild and crazy and good all in the same. But I'm loving my hair. I'm loving the results. Y'all know I like it when my fro got a little bounce. The Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer, I really love this product, y'all, and it smells so good. And it has like a thick consistency when you first take it out, but then like when you warm it up on your hands to put in your hair, it's the bomb. And a little bit really does go a long ways. Like, I really love this product. And my hair smells good enough to eat, y'all. Like, it smells like candy. I can feel it when you walk, even when you talk. It takes over me. But yes, I'm loving my hair, y'all. Look at my little curl trying to come through. My little curl trying to come through. Let me find out I got a bang. My hair finally growing back a little bit. But other than the parting, I love my hair. The parting is a mistake on my part, but in a day or two, it'll like go away. But I just keep fluffing it. But I love my hair. It's so moisturized, so soft. All the products that I use will be listed down in the description box below. I'll also leave the link to AlikayNaturals website so you can go ahead and check them out. If you have any comments or any questions regarding my hair, regarding the products, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below. You know the drill. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.